It's time for a new video. Sit back and watch.
Unboxing Pez. Unboxing Pez. Unboxing Pez.
Hello, Pezzers, and welcome to the Unboxing Pez Show. This is a box from Tatey, and today we get to open this new Pez. And you're here too. That makes today special. So, let's get to it, shall we? And open the box from Tatey.
But first, subscribe!
New videos!
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Check it out! We're on Instagram and Facebook.
What has she got in here? Oh, check it out. It's the construction worker. You know, there's another idea for Halloween. Be a construction worker. All you need is the hard hat. Look at this. This construction worker comes with strawberry and orange candy. Orange Pez candy. Pez, the greatest candy in the world. And a toy you can play with. And this particular toy is on a 5.9 made in Slovenia purple stem. Look at that. Our construction worker. Dark hair, sharp jawline, tiny little helmet. I mean, it looks really small on his head. Huh. But there he is, the rescue hero. Or the foreman of the shift foreman.
You two stop lollygagging over there. Get to work. Pezzers, it's giveaway time. Instant Pez collection number 1. Guess how many Pez are in the bag? Person with the exact number wins the bag of Pez. Go enter on Instagram, look for this video, and comment with your answer.
This bag right here?
Yes, that bag right there. That's the bag. It says 1.